how to log into Grindr. So you are ready to jump onto the Grindr and see who is around. Awesome. Logging in it is super straightforward. Let's get you started. First things first, make sure that you have downloaded the Grindr app on your phone. I do have it right over here. If you haven't, just download it and get it ready. Now let's tap on it and go inside it. And after you're inside it, you'll be seeing this type of interface. Here you can either log in by using your email and password, or you can simply log in by using the Facebook or the Google. I'll be using the Google for this one. Let's tap on Google and select the email address that I have joined earlier. This is it. Let's tap on continue and go inside it. And that's it. We are successfully logged into the Grindr. I hope this video was helpful. Lastly, if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll be seeing you in the next video.